Tired of static reports? Let's turn your Looker Studio dashboards into interactive experiences with page linking buttons. First, in your Looker Studio report, go to the toolbar and click the Add a Chart dropdown. Then select Button. This adds a basic button to your canvas. Now, customize your button in the Properties panel on the right. Under the Button text field, type the text you want displayed on your button, like Go to Sales Report or Visit Website. Next, find the Button Action drop-down in the Properties panel. Choose Navigate to Page. If you want to link to another page within your report, select Open URL. If you want to direct users to an external website, if you selected Navigate to Page, a new drop-down will appear here. Choose the specific page within your report that you want the button to link to. It could be a detailed data view, another summary page, or anything else in your current report. If you chose Open URL, simply paste the full website address into the URL field provided. Make sure to include the HTTPS prefix for a secure connection. Finally, style your button to match your dashboard's design. Use the Properties panel to adjust the button color, text color, font size, and even add a background color or border. Play around with the settings to get the look you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a button that links to another page or an external website. In Looker Studio now, users can easily navigate your reports for a more intuitive experience.